welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, I have makeup all over my face, but something is missing. Guess what? Blush. So in this video I will be making a DIY blush for all of you, and this is so nice. So without a chemical free blush for you guys. So video I will be sharing one tint and one lip balm. So please guys, watch this video till the end. So let's get started in the video, and please do subscribe my channel and watch this video till the end, because I will be sharing two DIY products for you guys. So guys, for the tint I have taken one beetroot and I will grate this. And then I will blend this into a fine puree. So now I will blend this puree into a pan or kadai, and I will add 2 tablespoons gulab gel, rose water, or 2 tablespoons glycerin. So I will cook this until it becomes thick and beetroot will release all the water it contains. And now after turning the flames off, I will remove this into a bowl and remove the excess water it contains. Now you guys can put this into a small container, as you guys can see, and you can easily find such containers on Amazon. I will add the link in the description box below. Now you guys can see the color of this tint is so nice. I will show you it on my hand, and you can apply this on your lips, on your cheeks, and you can use this for about 1 week, and then you can make a new one. Setting this for around 2 to 3 hours. This is how the tint will look. I will show you guys how it will look on my face. I'm just taking this much. I think you guys can see how this is looking. Such a pure blush. Store this tint for about 5 to 6 days, and you can, also apply this all over your face for the red skin, for the glowing skin, and this is it. So next I am making a lip balm, and for this you just need two things. One is Vaseline petroleum jelly and one is any lipstick you have. So now add 1 or 2 tablespoons or as much lip balm you want to make. I'm just adding half tablespoon Vaseline petroleum jelly into a katori, so it will melt. Now after you guys can see jelly has been melted properly, now I will add lipstick, and I'm not going to add the whole lipstick, I'm just taking a slice of it. So So before it gets cooled down, you have to add this into a container before it get cooled. Now you can set this lip balm for 30 to 40 minutes in the refrigerator and it's ready to use. After setting this lip balm for around 1 to 2 hours in the refrigerator, this is how it looks. How it looks on my hands. So yes guys, you can add any color that you want, from like red, pink, purple, any shade lip balm that you wanted to have. And this is long lasting, you can keep this as long as you want. So yes, that's all for today's video, and I hope you guys like it. If you want more DIYs, please do comment in the comment section below and let me know. Bye bye and take care.